Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO X300 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find apps. Then let's tap on Special App Access and here localize Install Unknown Apps. And right here we've got the apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. And of course you can change it, just find the app. So let's pretend I'd like to download the app from Chrome, so from the browser. Just find it in the list and then tap on the switcher. After getting back, you can see that the Chrome is now allowed to install something. Be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher again. And as you can see, the Chrome is now not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.